morning, guys. It is another beautiful day in Hawaii. So today there's not much on the agenda, but we are gonna go to Christine's little brother's football game real quick. So we're gonna go hop in the Kei van because that's the car that we're using today, and head out there right now. So let's go. We're in the Kei van today, guys. So Christine's warming it up right now. These things you need to warm them up before you go. This thing is so cool. Drop a like if you think that we should pick one up too, because I'm seriously contemplating it now. This thing is sick. You ready to go?
Ready to go. Menu open windows.
And we're out.
We're out of here.
So Christine's gonna be our chauffeur.
I turn right, yeah?
Yeah.
You have sand on you.
So this van is actually really small. I don't fit in the front with Christine. The shifter, that's why. Yeah, so I'm sitting in the back with Kaylee.
This is gonna be our adventure for the day.
So we're on our way to Christine's little brother's football game.
And it's all the way in our AL. We're at Barber's Point right now.
Yeah, a little 15-minute drive, 20-minute drive is gonna probably take us close to half an hour, maybe 35 minutes. Hopefully not, because the game only lasts for another about that much time too. So let's go. We'll head on there anyway. Check out the scenery, guys. The wind is pushing the car around, man. Are you like over the white line? No?
No, that's like one.
Oh, okay. It looks like you're driving in the middle of the white line.
Really?
From where I'm seeing. But it's okay, just drive how you drive. Okay, we gonna take this thing on the freeway or what? We're already maxed out in fit gear, guys. We're about to jump on this freeway. We're running late, that's why.
I could've slowed down, I could've missed my momentum.
Yeah.
Stay in the second lane for right.
Gee, downshift, cuz.
It's like too low in the gear.
Stay in his gear, yeah.
Until we get on the freeway.
Yeah. Here we go. We're about to jump on this freeway. This is gonna be nuts, guys. This is gonna be crazy. This car is like, we're gonna top it out right now, max speed on the freeway. Yeah, we're doing it. Woo! This is nuts. You gotta merge left up.
Are you having fun?
Well, I'm like half of the car. Look at my body. I'm half of this car. But yeah, no, this thing is sick. I guess the max is about right at about 60 because it was at 59.
But you know what? That's our speed limit over here, yeah?
Technically, yeah.
Because 55 is HD, and that's the fastest speed limit, right?
So that probably was like 45 supposed to be.
Yeah.
So you were speeding in the K car? Oh my gosh, bro. You lucky the police wasn't over here.
They trying to catch us.
They would. Oh, bro. Up the hill we go. We made it.
We made it.
The little active van did well, huh?
It did way better than I thought it was on the freeway.
Is it kind of scary?
It was so sketch, but
Hey, we're here. We're here.
we're here, and it was going way faster than it feels like it is in the car.
Yeah, that's true. High up there, huh? Here you go, keep going. Look, it goes down.
So the football game is done. I just met up with my dad to drop off my brother, and now we have a couple hours to burn before everybody's gonna meet us at the beach house. So we are gonna drive through Pearl City. This is where I grew up. This is where Blaine also had his shop. It's along this street, so we're gonna drive and kind of see if we can see a little bit of it. It's kind of cool to see what we used to do as kids, and it kind of reminds us of how it used to be back then. So we're gonna just drive around and probably get something to eat. We do have a couple of hours to burn before we're gonna head back to the beach house. My uncle is gonna bring one of his cars that he just imported from Japan as well, so we get to check that out. Let's start driving.
This is my old shop right here. Pearl City Plaza. Down on the bottom is my old shop. Anyway, we're gonna go ahead to lunch. We're gonna go to one of our favorite sushi spots. Ooh, Curry House is here too. Yeah, there's a bunch of places that we want to eat, but unfortunately we might not be able to get to all of it. But we are gonna try to go to this sushi restaurant over here. Let's see if it's open. So we're here eating lunch. The prices got a lot more expensive than the last time we were here. Like probably close to 10 years ago. So yeah, obviously it's gonna be way more expensive, but I'm excited to try it again.
Yeah.
Ready, baby? Show you guys how to do this. Ready? Shoyu wasabi, pour it straight on top. Yeah.
The food was super good, but we're gonna head back to Barber's Point now and kind of get the beach house ready for everybody to come. It's cloudy, but the sun is finally starting to come out. It was super rainy earlier, but the sun is finally coming out. Also, shout out to Taylor from Karuma. I love these shirts. This is the one with Baxi. Shout out to Baxi. Oh, you had a license plate too?
Oh yeah.
Yes.
It's a really good paint job, huh? It's still pretty good,
Yeah,
huh?
it's pretty good, yeah. So, I mean, get some. Yeah, pretty straight.
Is that the stock color, this blue? Or is it painted?
No, it's a stock color.
Oh, really?
It only comes in what, 3 colors, yeah? Silver, blue, and white.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, the steering wheel is nice too. It's automatic?
Yeah.
I didn't know they come in automatic.
Yeah, that's why I kind of bought it, because it's an easy for drive.
Yeah. Oh yeah, and it has the little pedals too. It's so cute, the exhaust. It's like so small. This would be so cool. Oh, you have our sticker on it.
Oh yeah.
Shoot. Okay, we go right around the block real quick.
Okay.
Yay! Okay guys, so Christine's dad and her uncle both have K cars or K vans.
Yeah.
So JDM cars I guess run in the family now. So Christine just gotta get her own. This is so sick.
Look at how big you are in there.
This is actually my first time driving a right-hand drive car.
Oh really?
Yeah.
How does it
Pretty
feel?
sure. I'm pretty sure.
It feels not that bad, huh?
It feels, you just gotta be conscious about what side you go,
Yeah.
like which side you lean to. Let's go!
30 kilometers. 30 kilometers strong. Oh, 40.
This will be cool.
This would be so cool.
See, the hard part is that the island you can use this, yeah, in the islands, because
Yeah.
you don't really gotta go fast. Like here, so look, speed limit on this road is 25 miles per hour.
Oh yeah, 25.
That's almost max speed for this car. But like on the island, oh look at that one! Look!
Oh, not a
Look at that one!
That one has the circle headlights. I like that one.
You see, every time we come back home to Hawaii, it feels like
No way, no way, another one.
what the heck?
Are you serious?
Let's go! Yeah! This thing is cherry. What you think? What you guys think? Sold. Oh, yeah. You gotta get the kind one, the truck number.
Yeah.
We were just talking about how like there's not a lot of arm space.
Yeah.
I can drive this, but I gotta close my legs like this when I drive.
Well, let's see. Okay.
Oh, big bugger. I gotta open them up, huh?
Yeah.
Check it out, bruh. This is cherry. See, everybody gonna have K vans pretty soon. K vans and K trucks. Just take them right on the sand. Cherry. Hey, just no crash them, man. It's cherry, yeah. Look at it, look. Little bit, yeah. Crab hunting.
This one is a baby.
Look at this one. This is way bigger.
Here, hold the baby one.
So we're out here on the beach. So we used to do when we was kids, just walk on the beach and look for sand crabs. This bugger is trying to get out. I don't know, I caught my crab. I don't know what you guys doing. There's another baby one right here. Who wants to grab this one? Right there. Go, just stick it, put your hand on it. Oh, it's too late. Holy crap, I just got super soaking wet. Holy crap. Oh, you got a bigger one.
Oh, this one is green. What?
Oh, grab it.
Or you want to hold this one and I'll hold that one?
Look at Auntie Kayla, so brave now.
Don't worry, I'll
Here, hold this one. Oh no, you dropped it. Oh my crab! Ah! Check out that down. Get that one. I got 3 crabs. Grab that one right there. Grab that one.
I got this one.
Right there.
Wait, over here.
Watch out, move up, lift up, lift up.
I got it. Right there.
Holy shit.
Okay, here, hold this, hold your crab.
This is mine. Super tiny.
So cute.
How are you guys fucking getting it without pinching?
Well, see, the trick is you gotta hold him with the pincher like that.
Oh, hold the pincher?
Hold the pincher down. He's just mad because he cannot move, huh?
He's like, ah!
Let me go. Look at our crabs, guys. Big crabs today, huh?
Yeah, well, I throw them away.
You're gonna throw them away.
Are we gonna put them in the water now?